In today's tech-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the race for the latest tools and technologies. While these advancements are valuable, the true key to unlocking their full potential lies in culture. A culture that embraces observability can transform how teams interact, make decisions, and innovate. Netflix revolutionized entertainment by weaving observability into its organizational fabric. This cultural shift, driven by transparency and data-driven insights, led to an astounding 99.99% uptime. Beyond uptime, it fostered innovation, empowering engineers to experiment and continuously improve. At Netflix, the principle of freedom and responsibility permeates every level. Engineers are trusted with autonomy and the tools to manage their systems, fostering ownership and accountability. Observability ensures reliability, enabling informed decisions and risk mitigation. Netflix shifted from a culture of control to one of context, empowering teams with data to make informed decisions. They invested in tools providing real-time insights, fostering evidence-based decision-making. This collaborative, data-driven approach promoted continuous improvement and agility. Netflix's observable culture shifted from reactive to proactive system management. By monitoring key indicators, engineers could anticipate and address issues before they impacted users. This proactive approach enhanced user experience and drove continuous improvement. Transforming culture involves mindset, practices, and sustainability. The growth mindset fosters curiosity and collaboration, while new practices embody the desired culture. Sustainability ensures these changes become ingrained, creating a cycle of continuous evolution. Behavioral change drives lasting cultural transformation. Positive reinforcement and a supportive environment encourage desired behaviors. By fostering experimentation and learning from failure, organizations can cultivate continuous innovation. High-performing cultures emphasize learning, open communication, and accountability. Continuous learning and collaboration drive innovation and problem-solving. A clear vision and shared values align actions and foster a culture of observability. Cultural transformation starts with individual actions that influence the collective. Encouraging new tools and practices within teams creates a ripple effect. Leaders' role modeling desired behaviors amplify this transformation. A culture of experimentation and continuous learning is essential for survival. Creating spaces for testing and learning from failures fosters innovation. Investing in employee development embeds continuous improvement in the organization. Section 3, Measuring Impact, the litmus test for cultural change. Cultural transformation requires measurement to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and demonstrate value. Key metrics include system uptime, incident response time, and mean time to recovery. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are also crucial. Employee feedback provides valuable qualitative data. Use both quantitative and qualitative data for a holistic view. Regular monitoring helps track progress and celebrate successes. Section 1: Unveiling the Patterns. Insights from high-performing cultures. In the quest to build a thriving observable culture, it's invaluable to examine the common threads that weave through the success stories. By studying organizations that have successfully embedded observability into their DNA, we can glean valuable insights and patterns that can guide our own transformation journeys. These insights provide a roadmap, highlighting the key areas where focused efforts can yield the greatest impact. Research consistently reveals that high-performing observable cultures share several defining characteristics. These organizations don't just view observability as a technical necessity, they embrace it as a core cultural value, woven into the very fabric of their operations. This shift in perspective from a reactive approach to a proactive and integrated one is a key differentiator. One recurring pattern is the emphasis on transparency and open communication. These organizations break down silos, fostering an environment where information flows freely across teams and departments. Data is not seen as a source of power, but rather as a shared asset, accessible to all who need it to make informed decisions. Another key insight is the recognition that cultural transformation is an ongoing journey, not a destination. High-performing observable cultures are characterized by a growth mindset where continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement are deeply ingrained. They embrace experimentation, view failures as learning opportunities, and constantly seek ways to refine their practices. Embracing a culture of observability. Building a culture of observability starts with a mindset shift. Move from reactive to proactive data-driven approaches. Shift from blame to curiosity. Focus on what happened and how to prevent it. Encourage experimentation and learning. Observability is a shared responsibility. Everyone plays a role in ensuring systems are observable. This fosters ownership and accountability. Observability becomes ingrained in the culture. From principles to practice, embedding observability in every action, while a shift in mindset lays the foundation for a culture of observability, it's the translation of these principles into everyday practices that brings about tangible change. This requires a deliberate and ongoing effort to embed observability into the very fabric of the organization, from the tools and technologies used to the processes and behaviors that govern daily work. One practical step is to establish clear guidelines and best practices for building and operating observable systems. This includes adopting tools and technologies that provide deep insights into system behavior, implementing comprehensive monitoring and alerting systems, and establishing clear protocols for incident response and post-mortem analysis. Equally important is providing ongoing training and education to ensure that everyone in the organization understands the principles of observability and how to apply them in their daily work. This includes not only technical training on specific tools and technologies, but also training on softer skills such as communication, collaboration, and data-driven decision-making. Recognizing and rewarding those who exemplify the desired behaviors is crucial for reinforcing the cultural shift. This could involve publicly acknowledging individuals or teams that proactively identify and address potential issues, share their knowledge and insights effectively or consistently demonstrate a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. By weaving observability into the very fabric of the organization, from the tools and technologies used to the behaviors that are encouraged and rewarded, it becomes more than just a set of practices. It becomes an integral part of the organizational DNA, driving continuous improvement and innovation. Building your observable culture, a practical roadmap. Transforming an organization's culture can seem daunting, but it's achievable with a clear roadmap and shared commitment. Start with a thorough assessment of the current state. Define a clear vision for the future. Implement the right tools and processes. Provide ongoing training and support. Continuously measure progress and refine practices. Cultural transformation, a journey, not a destination. Cultural transformation is a continuous journey of learning, adaptation, and growth. There is no finish line. It's an ongoing process requiring sustained effort and commitment. Maintaining momentum over time is a key challenge. Initial excitement can wane as teams settle into routines. Celebrate successes and reward those embracing new ways of working. Leaders must actively cultivate and sustain the desired culture. Provide ongoing support, remove roadblocks, and champion observability. Maintain a clear vision and communicate it consistently. A shared understanding of the desired end state motivates and aligns efforts. Building a thriving observable culture yields significant returns. It creates a resilient, adaptable, and innovative organization. Embrace observability principles to unlock continuous improvement and success. Embracing the power of observability. The journey towards building an observable culture is one of continuous learning, adaptation, and growth. It requires a shift in mindset, a commitment to embracing new practices, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. But the rewards are significant, paving the way for greater resilience, accelerated innovation, and a more fulfilling work experience for everyone involved. By embracing the principles of observability and weaving them into the very fabric of their organizations, leaders can unlock a powerful engine for continuous improvement and sustained success. The journey may be challenging, but the destination, a more resilient, adaptable, and innovative organization, is well worth the effort. The power of observability lies not just in the tools and technologies, but in the cultural transformation it ignites. It's about empowering individuals, fostering collaboration, and creating an environment where learning and innovation thrive. It's about embracing a future where organizations are not just observers of data, but active participants in shaping their own destiny. In a world increasingly driven by technology, a culture of observability is no longer a competitive advantage, it's a necessity. By embracing this transformative journey, organizations can position themselves not just to survive, but to thrive in the face of ever-increasing complexity and change.